Lwayuaro tomano karamoja kesda itegia sameja itungalu Icweete Atotole. Loda itoroni tai anu Icweete kokolaka Baren.
We are saying we don't want people to go for burning charcoal. Because we have discovered that people who go for burning charcoal in the bushes are the source of insecurity to the neighboring district. They go and sit on that charcoal as they burn, as they organize, whereas other groups cross over to other districts to steal animals, hand over to these ones, they take, and these ones continue to burn the charcoal. So we are saying we are not allowing anybody in those bushes to burn charcoal.
Akalo na irare ye mutulo ingaruno ne lodo district aloka pile biong kesda potu ijuka sa isirare tati peteno inede jasike chitunga aijala kiro na ije pikitano Atotole tetere mamda ipokete.
Kapele achinga okungur, please communicate the leaders. Tell the people do not burn the charcoal, because those people, if they continue burning charcoal, the army will arrest them, then they run to us that, you know, I'm your agent. Please communicate them early. Stop being agents to them early.
Kwenye tomano karamoja engarino kesde ronge buini kinosi ebe tione itogo na ichweyo na Atotole nara inepene nejara tarike chitunga.
Charcoal is a domestic source of energy, and sometimes when you are cracking so hard, except for the charcoal that leaves the region, when you are cracking so hard, you say to yourself, wait a minute, in my house don't I use charcoal? Sometimes when I am exiting, don't I put one bag or so of charcoal in the car? So that one brings enforcement on issues of charcoal a little bit problematic.
It is a big business in my district. You know, the other time I was trying to talk to some few leaders, and they were saying that now if you stop us from cutting trees, what shall we eat? That they come with charcoal, sell, and eat. Sometimes, by the way, they even sell charcoal for flour and all that. So that is the challenge that we have there, that we must handle with a lot of care.
Apotuda ilipata iwa itiniche luda itiko kineta kironu kwenye merei kama kade womtora Ajore.
There are other alternative sources of fuel, of energy, are very limited and sometimes not even there. So this one here, we need to agree. We need to agree on how to proceed with the enforcement. Traders have now resorted to 2 bags on a motorcycle. You will meet a border rider, very serious, transporting 2 bags of charcoal. You are an enforcement officer. What do? The man is saying, this is for my domestic use. What do you do?
If whoever comes and burns charcoal, we shall treat you like you're having a gun. You know how we deal with somebody who has a gun.
Godfred Eyoko, TV is Karamoja.